Hi there guys. Today I'm going to explain to you our new strategy for expert advisor that it takes the signals from Telegram groups and store them in a file. Then it trades automatically based on the signals that it comes out from the Telegram. Now the EA it works 24 hours without needing any other websites that can integrate that for you, and you can do it free. I have tried to do that using a coded Python that it works 24 hours to listen if there is any signal is coming from any group. So once there is any signal is coming from a group, it stored the signals into a trade signals file. So I will explain that for you. First, you need 24 hours working VPS like this, and I prefer you have to get it in New York. In New York, close to the trading, to the market servers. So in case we don't want any latency, very high latency. So as you see here, I have very low latency. So this means that I can get the trades very fast since I'm focusing on scalping. And here you see only 9 millisecond free latency. But if you try to run it on your own computer, you will see very high latency. So best thing is to buy a good VPS. And our strategy based, it's very simple. We have two programs that work for us. The first one is this Python program. This Python program, when I click on it, it will work 24 hours. You will have to keep it running it here on the VPS, and you have also to store the Python script in the files in the directory of MT5 file. It's MTL5. Once you get it done, you have to run it like this. Okay, and it will keep running 24 hours. What the script does actually, it listens to any groups, any trades that it coming from the Telegram group. I will explain to you how it does actually. So let's open now our Python script. As you see here, you have to get the API ID of your Telegram, and you have to get the API hash as well, and you have to get the group ID, which the Python script will always listen. As you see here, this is my group that the signals are coming from it every day. And when the guy is sending the signal, let's say at the morning you were sleeping and he sent that signal for gold, let's say like this, or we will put it like this. So let's let's assume that the guy sent a signal on your Telegram group when you are sleeping. Okay, and the Python script now is running. You will see now that the signal is stored instantly in the file. Okay, as you see here, it extracts and deletes the unnecessary data here and only extract this. So this is the price range that the signal is focusing on. Also, there is a feature in the Python script that it's erasing itself every 40 minutes. So every 40 minutes when the first signal is coming, after 40 minutes it will be deleted automatically. That the Python script is doing. So what we want now is, the trading signal now is ready in the directory of the MT5. Now the expert advisor which we have here, okay, it will read the trade signal files that you have it in the directory here of the MQL file. So it will read it, and you can also adjust the default lot size, which I assume and recommended that you use a very low default lot size for risk management. Don't use very high. You have to test that on a demo account. Everyone have its own strategy, but I have found the best settings and the sets, which are to use 0.05 default lot size and only use 14 pips above for SL or take profit 14 pips. So once the signal is coming, let's say we have here a signal from let's say from this price 2027 until 2025. So once the signal is coming like this, the EA will read the signal and focus on the price range, which is from here to here. And if the price range is inside this zone, it will take buy or sell only if there is a default signal for sell here. So if there is a sell, it will take only sell order in this range. As you see here, it's from 2027 until 25. So it will take sell orders once the signal is coming, but it will not take random sell orders. Only take the sell orders if there is a lower low of the candles. So here it's lower. So here we can see an example. Let's give you an example. Yes, like this. If there is the price range is inside the zone and the one candle is formed low, then the next candle is lower than the before candle, then the third candle low also as well. So there is here lower, low, low. So once that it's formed 3 candles for potential selling, it will place the sell order as you see here, and it will scalp the take profit as 14 pips only if the price is in the within range, and it will not take also buy orders because there is a sell orders here. Also, if there is a buy signal is coming like this, let's say for example uh, there is a signal as well, but it's buy, uh, and the price range is, let's say, is from 2027 until 2025. So once the signal is coming like this for buy, not sell, the Python script which we are running it now, it's extracted the order, the signals in the trade signal file like this, and as I said to you before, it will empty the file every 40 minutes because we didn't pass the 40 minutes, so I paste it like here, as you see here the signal. Now the EA reads that file as I said to you from trade signals, and also you have to put the trade signals and the Python script in the files here so that the EA will read it automatically. So once there is a buy, as we said here, buy from 2027 to 2025, this is the price range for buying the gold, and here from here to here. So once there is, because our signal now is buy, so we need 3 high candles to be formed before placing our buy order. So here as you see, the first candle is bullish, then the second candle, the wick is higher than it before, then the third candle, which I assume is also higher than high. Then at this moment it will place the buy order for us. This is a very good strategy. I have tested for almost 1 month and it generates some good profit. You see here high, it's high. The first candle is high, then the second candle confirmed is higher than the before one, and the third candle also is formed like higher, high. So at this moment it will place the buy order, and also I told you in the same range, which is 2027 2025. And also I want to show you some results I have been working on. Also the Python script is listening on not this group. I'm trading with bin, so if you want to adjust the settings for the Python script, I will also explain that by text and information and summary on the MQL5. so you can read it very well. But if you want to adjust your account for Telegram, you have also to edit this file, the Python script, which we are running at 24-hour. You have to edit the you have to get your API ID and also your API hash ID and also the group ID. I will explain to you how you can get it. You have to go to this site and input your phone number. I will put my phone number here, for example, so I can show you how you can get the API ID and the API hash ID. Once it's ready, now you have to get your Telegram login code. Okay, you can click sign in. Then you have to go to API developments. This is the API developments. You have to create a new one. Once you created the new one, this is the API hash ID that you have to put it inside our Python script. Here, the API ID and also the API hash ID, which is here. You have to put it. Now, also about the group ID, how you can get the group ID. I'll explain to you how you can get it. So now we need to know only the group ID, which the Python script will listen to it always once the signal is coming, then store it to trade.signals file. Now how we can get the group ID? There is a Python script I have created it, so you have also to put your API hash here, API ID, then API hash for your own Telegram as we adjusted here, so it can list all the groups ID that we need for it. Let's run it and I will show you now how we can run it exactly. Okay, after you run it, you have to input your phone. Then the code is 12885. 12885. Okay, at this time, sorry, I have to run it in comment. So we need a comment. So we will go to the same area, then run the Python script. Python. As you see, it lists all the group ID that we want. So for example, I'm using this group ID to show you how our Python script is working. Yeah, as you see here, the same group ID, and sorry, this script is the same group ID that we are working on. It's the same one. So first, it's very simple. You don't need to be distracted. At first, as I told you, you have to register for app configuration Telegram. Please download also Telegram app. So it's very simple. This is our strategy. So in a simple way, in summary and in conclusion, our expert advisor is trading the signals only that it's stored in the trading signal file. In the trading signal file, which is trade signals.txt, and the signal is stored always in files, as I said to you, with the Python script that we need to run. So once everything is ready, you just need to run the Python script to listen to any signals. Once any signal is coming, it will be stored here. Then the expert advisor will read it based on the price range, sell or buy. Then place the trades according with that what I said. Higher, high, lower, low, low, then place trade, or higher, high, high, then place trade buy. And also, as you know, that will be based only if the signal is trade, buy or sell in the same price area range. Thank you so much, and if you like my strategy and the expert advisor, please proceed for purchase, and I will be available always if you want any question.